Come da porca picchita va bene, se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da viene in capo di I love you, papà l'americano.
Let's prepare for takeoff.
Okay guys, so we're at our hotel, Buca di Bacco, and let's take a quick room tour. Here's our little breakfast nook for coffee and everything. Here's our beautiful room, flat screen TV. Here's the bed, tile floor, everything's beautiful. Got a little couch. Little desk area. That's not why anybody comes here. Everybody comes here for this. Welcome to Positano.
Today is Thursday and we are heading to the island of Capri. We're going to spend the whole day there, I'll film all day, it should be a great day, and stick around. After taking the ferry here and waiting on a horrific bus line, which I do not recommend if you ever come to Capri, excuse my backpack, I would take a cab here. But so now we took the bus ride up the mountain and we're on the gondola ride, and you can see behind me the beautiful view. But I'll spin this camera around and it's just an incredible gondola ride all the way up to the top of Capri. So it should be pretty amazing, but I do recommend that you take this trip up the mountain. The gondolas are one person a piece, so my wife's in the one in front of me, but look at that view. Let's see what it looks like on the top of the mountain. See you there. Smooth like a baby. Hey guys, so my wife and I just took the ferry boat over to the town of Amalfi, which is also on the coast, about a half hour away from Positano. And we're gonna walk around a little while, do some shopping, and I'll take you guys with me.
Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
Today we're actually in Pompeii. We're going to take a tour of the ruins, we shoot some classic B-roll, and we'll just see what we see. So stick around. Alright, so today is Saturday and we just got to the train station. We found our first train, which is just a commuter from Naples to Caserta. And then we're going to take the train from Caserta to Bari. That's going to be a 4-hour train ride on a high-speed train. We're going to definitely shoot some of the train footage if I can. But enjoy the ride. So we just got to Rugliano from Bari, and I rented a car, and I tried real hard before we got here to set up Ferrari, and it was expensive for the day. I figured it'd be worth it. I saved up, and then when I called, there was a 3-day minimum and a $12,000 deposit, which was just out of my range. So I rented another Italian car, the Alfa Romeo, and let's take you around the car. Oh, by the way, it's filthy because the hotel is on a dirt road that we're staying at, so I apologize for not taking this before we left the airport, but let's take you around the Alfa.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't want to leave.
Okay, so we are in the middle of nowhere.
We were in a vineyard with a farmhouse. You can see behind me. It's called Lama San Giorgio. It's a working vineyard. I don't know exactly how many acres. If I had to guess, it'd probably be like 50 or 60 acres. It's amazing. It's amazing stuff. The vegetation, the rooms, the house itself, the farmhouse is so just antique and old world and all that. So I'll take you for a quick tour. This is our little villa. There's several suites in here. And let's go inside the room and see how it is. It's a little different than Positano, but it's, you know, you're in a small farmhouse in the middle of a wine vineyard. It's really cool. Little mini bar, some shelving. And just a little patio outside, just to have some coffee. A little chair. This is the bathroom. The bathroom. Sink. So there's a tub and a toilet with the bidet, which we still not have used one, and I refuse to. Sorry, I'm American. The beams are really cool, wood roof. You can notice that there's no shower, so I'm assuming we have to use this wand to pretend there's a shower and just stand in here. Alright, let's go to the main house and we'll check things out there.
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us turning to dust. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? And I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? And I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go on my night.
Today we're in this little small town of Capri, which is just outside of Bari, right next to my namesake, Retigliano. Capri is the namesake of my wife. So behind me is the Real Basilico, which is the church for Maria SS del Pozzo, which is the patron saint of Capri. So we're going to go around town, check out a couple of churches. There's one down the street that is related to this parish, where they actually have a well that they believed has healing powers and stuff like that we're going to drink from. God knows I need some healing powers. So stick around, let's go around town and see what we see. Welcome to Retigliano and the Festival of the Crucifix. Let's go around and party.
Funiculi, funicula, funiculi, funicula, goppa, yappa, ya, funiculi, funicula. Funiculi, funicula.
Yep, the Retiglianos are back.